All right, fam, so we just swiped the 46 for miles, like 30 something items. Sweet batch. And Bella just swiped the 46 18 miles triple.
Shut up.
Huh?
Shut up.
She literally just swiped the 46 18 miles triple. 18 miles triple. Like 40 something items, right? And I swiped the 46 4 miles 30 items single. I know it's kind of funny. It's kind of funny. Oh, cause I work hard every motherfucking day. Yeah, I work hard every day. Yeah, oh yeah, but today is Vars Day, it's his day, and no matter what they say, it's his day. La 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 la. That's my boy.
I never blend in like camouflage. Know your whole life's in the hand of God. Always kept it real, couldn't stand the fraud. We playing in different fields, I never ran alone. First things first, let me break the news. I don't really even got a name to prove. I'ma win the game, I ain't.
Okay, team Run It Up was popping. Team Run It Up was popping. Okay, so I like what this person said so much right here that I'm gonna give you a chance to win money. So let's see how much change I got left for the day. I had 100. You know, I hate little bills, and these are little bills. So we're gonna see how much money I have left of little bills. Right? So we got let's see, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 40. We got $40. If I miss this shot in that hoop over there, I'm gonna send you a Cash App you this $40. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, link in the description. All right, to whoever this is. You see that? You see that little hoop? That's a tiny hoop. This is a hard shot. All right. So now keep it on me. Let's go. Now, if I miss it, you get $40. If I make it, I'm just happy that you subscribe and this team running up and you part of the family. Thank you so much. But if I make it, you ain't winning nothing. Let's get it. Here we go. $40 right here on the line. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Dang! Hold on. Double or nothing. So if I miss it, you get $80. I'm like, yo, if I miss this shot, I'm gonna Cash App you $80. If I make it, you win nothing. Alright? But by the way, everybody watching, please hit the like, please hit the subscribe, because I'm going broke. Alright, so let's go. Alright? Team Run It Up. Let's go. Team Run It Up. Here we go. And I'm trying to make this because I don't want to give you the money, to be honest. I love you, but I don't want to give it to you. Let's go. Alright, here we go. Let's get it. Team Run It Up. Dang!
You suck.
Alright, so this is what you gotta do. Follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Send me a message to whoever this is. I like that comment so much. I missed the shot twice. I owe you $80. I'm gonna Cash App you $80. Word to everything I love. Hit me up on Instagram. Send me a Cash App. First batch down. Oh, excuse me. Team Run It Up was popping. So, yeah, we just did a 43. We just finished the shop. 43. Costco. First batch of the day. Costco drop. Missed the 92 this morning though. Then I went home, ate some breakfast, said, forget it. I'll go back out for Costco. And that's where we at now. 43 Costco. So let's make that money.
Hold up, I don't think they follow. My dad is an artist, I feel like Pablo. And if that's the case, I'm a walking Picasso. Throw me on the
I'm gonna show you guys what a savage looks like. This is a savage. This is what. You see that? You see that? This is what a savage looks like. Only $20. $20. I haven't done this store in a while, but I couldn't turn this batch down. It was 27, not that much money, but 1 mile away, 23 items. Let's bang it out. What's up, fam? I'm not gonna lie. Me and Bella went back to the crib. We took a nap. We done took a nap. I made like $107. Went home, took a nap. We ate. Yeah, we back. I'm delivering an order right now. It was traffic. This is a 27, so it's gonna put me at like 1:30 something. At like, dang, it's like 5:30. We slacking today, but it's all good. It's all good. It's not all good. It's not all good, but we gonna bounce back. Let's get it. Team, run it up. I got to deliver this. I'm at the customer house right now, actually. Yo, team, run it up. We chose it out here, bro. We chose. Bella's mad at me because we supposed to wrap it up and go to the gym. Again, what did I swipe?
66, 2 miles away.
$66, 2 miles away. Let's get it. We running it up right now. I got lucky. I don't even know which way I want to go in. Yo, I'm spoiled. I am spoiled. 66, 2 miles away. Yeah. Just like that. It's a wrap. Nice big batch. Yo, team, run it up was popping. So I'm delivering a 25, but I just seen this lady. I just drove by this lady that had a sign that's saying she's hungry, she needs to feed her kids. Now a lot of people out here say they be lying, but that's besides the point. For me, I'm just gonna give her a stack of cash, and hopefully it helps. Hopefully, you know, I mean, I just like to put out that positive energy no matter what she's gonna do with it. If she needs it or not. She has a sign saying she needs it, so I'm gonna try to find her on the way back, and I'm gonna give her a stack of cash. That's what we're gonna do. Team, run it up. Now, some say they be lying, but either way, she's out here trying to feed her kids. We're gonna give her a stack. We're gonna give her a stack.